Happy New Year, me people. What a way 2025 reach ya quick. By the time you say who there, 2025 crept right in. Me no know about who you know, but me step right into 2025 with a clear heart and mind. If you did wrong me forgive you. But also me count it as a blessing because you will never get a second opportunity to wrong me again. Me not that bright, but me learn the lesson where you teach me. And you see if you're hungry with me and I make up your face, that's all good. Because I feel your face a wrinkle up and not for me. Me let that go long time. Me grateful for every experience that me encountered in a 2024. Let me tell you something. Life is too short for pent up anger, grudges, extra stress and pain. You were dead before time. Forgiveness is a gift to yourself. If I'm me like you, I would have make 2025 a year of growth and peace. Again, Happy New Year, me people. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, night or evening, any which part of the world you know there. All right.